Hello children, I am Sun. This is my family. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Children, I have 8 members in my family. I form center of our solar system and I also called hottest star. I am the main source of heat and light for all planets.
I am Mercury. I am smallest planet in solar system. I am closest planet of sun. I don't have any satellites. In daytime I am hot and nighttime extremely cool.
I am a Venus. I am second planet from the sun. I don't have any satellites. When I visible near sunrise and sunset, so I am a called morning and evening star. I am a hottest planet in our solar system.
I am Earth. I am the third planet from Sun. I am called Blue Planet. I am the only life and air and lot of water. I have one satellite called Moon. I am Mars. I am fourth planet from Sun. I am second smallest planet in solar system after Mercury. I have two satellites. I am appears reddish color, so I am called red planet.
I am a Jupiter. I am fifth planet from the sun. I am largest planet in the solar system. I have more than 19 satellites. My largest moon is called Ganymede. I am also called bright planet.
I am Saturn. I am sixth planet from the sun and second largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter. I have beautiful rings around me. I am also called beautiful planet. I have more than 140 satellites. My biggest satellite is called Titan.
I am Uranus. I am the seventh planet from the sun. I am the third largest planet after Jupiter and Saturn. I have also many satellites.
I am a Neptune. I am a Neptune. I am eighth planet from the sun. I am farthest planet from the sun. I am very windy planet in solar system. Have 14 moons. My largest moon is called Saturn.
Children have understand me and my family. Thank you. Bye.